Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. So right now, XRP, thank you for liking these videos, by the way. Thank you very much. Keep liking the videos. Thank you. Thank you for subscription. I mean that honestly. I hope you had a good weekend and I hope you have a good week moving forward. So you can see XRP, it ran into this resistance like we've spoken about, past few days here, resistance, and we came back down. We're now holding this as support, which is really, really good, okay? Really good. If we can hold this is amazing, and essentially putting some kind of beautiful double bottom and ascending triangle, break this level of resistance just there, and I think you're coming up to retest this resistance just there. That in itself could offer a beautiful little long up once you break that resistance of around about, wherever it is, 8, 9, 10%, isn't it, roughly, and if we do start to break out the resistance just there, then this could be all systems go, and I would imagine a retest of this trend line, like resistance. You've got some kind of ascending channel that you can form into at the moment here for XRP. So if we do start to come back up here and break out of that level of resistance as well, that would be amazing, and that's like a massive green light that we're going to get that huge impulsive wave break just here for XRP, and everything's going to look explosive towards the end of the year here, which is what we're all gunning for, isn't it? Please do check out the Bitcoin video today, because I found some beautiful Elliott wave structure and Elliott wave count there that's showing that potentially we've got two beautiful massive impulsive waves left of this bull run, basically, okay? Because I think a lot of people see that we've just got one wave up, isn't it? It could be right, we've just got one little leg up to around about 75k, blow off top and everything collapses basically, and that could be right, but I think we're looking at some kind of extended cycle. I think that I've validated that with some Elliott wave count and structure that I've counted today on Bitcoin, so please check out that video. And yeah, honestly, nothing to say is financial advice, for educational and entertainment purposes only, okay? Nothing is financial advice. So for me, XRP is looking good here, providing we can hold this support. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to give you right now, if we was to roll out of this, it would look quite negative, but I don't think it would be that negative, to be honest with you, because there is a key level of support which I'm going to show you right now, which is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Technically this is a bullish continuation pattern, because look, you've come up into it, you've coiled up, you're coiling up. It's a bullish continuation pattern. I think the statistic of a horizontal is around about 68% to the upside and 32% to the downside. So you're fully aware nothing is guaranteed. If you was to roll here, come down to a key level support and bounce, it would put the fear of God into people, but I do think you're still beautiful for bullish continuation for XRP. So I'll give you key levels of support, haven't I? But I'm going to give you one more, and I'm going to back it up with something right now. Okay, to take a look at this chart here for XRP. So if we zoom out on the weekly, and this is what I say to you: if in doubt, zoom out. Okay, if in doubt, zoom out, and spend some time zooming out on these charts. So for me, here you got your bull market high in 2018. I remember it really, really well in January. Blow off top, look at that parabola, ABC correction into the bear, low balled out in March 2020, and with that you start to get back above these EMAs, and look at this bullish market structure that you're creating right now. Okay, high lows, high highs. To validate, retain this market structure, you've got to take out this high, obviously, getting back above this 786 and flip bullish and start to move upstairs, basically. So I think a lot of people think I've got a crystal ball when I was saying, look, you're running into resistance just there, you're failing to get through this, put some cheeky bids down here on the golden ratio, and you can see, boom, that absolutely came to fruition, and it was a lovely short up. But like I said, when we wick down, we had that whopping correction, and we start to come back up, and we were hitting ahead, and at that point I said to you, look, we failed to get back above here and back to snowed support. You are looking at a 5-0 retest, okay? And that's exactly what happened. We rolled through the fibs. As you can see, these fibs are amazing. Drop them in your charts, because it's a game of Fibonacci. It's a game of resistance and support, trend lines, whatever. I think the best thing you can use are fibs, basically. So look, you're working through the fibs like a boss here. You're moving upstairs bullishly. You're working through each step, trying to get back up, aren't you? So like I said to you, the bulls go up the stairs and the bears come out the window. Example of bears coming out the window, within weeks, months, you was way down there, and from that high there, wow, you capitulated around about 93%, and then the bear market low of March, 97%. XRP fell to the earth, basically. So that was a whopping correction, and a lot of people say that it won't come again. Might not do, but we'll watch this space, see what happens. But with XRP, you can see you broke out, you got back above the EMAs in a beautiful buy and go to the B signal, back there November last year, about a year ago, you know, just over a year ago actually. And then with that, look at buy and go to the beach, absolutely bolted out. And then the capitulation of the SEC case, as well as the Spark airdrop sell-off, boom, came back down, capitulated. Well, where did you find support? On the 236 like a boss. So what an entry point, what an absolute entry point, because just here I would have said to you, look, you're failing to get above a 050, you're going to come down to the 0382, you lose that, you're looking at a 236 retest. And this is the same stuff I've been saying here, you know, you lose a 0618, you're looking at a 050 retest, you've got that, you've held its support, and you've come back up. And at this point here I said to you, look, you melted through the golden ratio on the weekly, so you're going to come back to it as support. And look, you did, you came up, failed to retest this resistance just there, and you've come back to the golden ratio as support. So right now I'm saying to you again, if there is a big correction in the market, and there's a big if, okay, I do think that this is a massive level of support, a retest of the golden ratio. Does it have to come? Of course it doesn't, but it's there. So this for me is your low basically for XRP. Now if you do start to roll and you lose that and you start hitting your head, then yes, I'll be saying, look, you've got to put some cheeky bids on the 050, because you always get bounces off these anyway. Even in bear markets, look, you come down, bounce, come down, bounce, come down, bounce. You always bounce off fibs, and this is why I always say, look, put some cheeky bids in down there, because they offer fantastic long ops. So yeah, you just ride the waves basically, ride the waves of these crypto bull markets and bear markets. That's simply what it is, you know. It offers opportunity, shorting and longing. So right now XRP, essentially, if you look at it like this on the weekly, okay, if you conform, you have got some kind of ascending triangle on the go, and essentially you could say some kind of horizontal, which is what we've been targeting, isn't it, on the weekly. And you come up to the apex like this. So providing you can hold this support right now, okay, amazing. But if you do start to lose it, just put some cheeky bids on the 0618 at 91 cents and you'll be fruitful. The end basically. So that's it. So what you're looking to do at the minute, you've come up impulsively and you've corrected down to the golden ratio, and right now you're coiling up because you're looking to retest the 786 as resistance. So if you do start to see the breakout and you come back up to 786, it might offer a level of resistance at some point, coming back, creating another bullish continuation pattern, ascending triangle or whatever, you know, and then break out there, holding back to the support. That's beautiful for continuation for XRP in this bull run. So basically it's a game of resistance between the Fibonacci levels here for XRP, okay. And I would imagine once you start to come up here and break out that 786, then you've got a beautiful impulsive wave to the all-time high. You start to take out, and you're looking at these levels here, aren't you, for XRP moving forward in this bull market, okay. And who knows where it could go to with the SEC green light in January. So that's XRP. Enjoy the show, enjoy the ride. It's working its way through the fibs, you know, as it did here, works through the fibs, come back down, lost support, you target the next fibs. If you lose this support, that's your next target, lose that support, that's your next target, lose that support, that's your next target, you know. And that is bear market basically, because you're losing structure. At the minute you're retaining structure, you're making higher highs and higher lows, but we do need to get our ass out of here so we can continue this sort of parallel, you know, channel that we've got, this ascending channel, sorry, that we're doing something like this for XRP moving forward. I do apologise about how rough the drawings is, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, you're still looking really, really good, and people forget to zoom out. If in doubt, zoom out. XRP's bullish. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.